Hi, everyone. Welcome. I just wanted to come to you. We are currently in Tennessee at the Global Sewing Summit, and I have Miss Karen Charles here.
Hi, everyone.
And she's going to talk to us about the new Icon 3. We're very excited about this. So what can you tell us, Karen?
I think we're going to do is start with, Stitch Creator and some of the changes there, and then we'll go into doing each part a little bit differently, so that way you get a chance to see all of the brand new features they've added to the Creative Icon 3. So let's start in Stitch Creator. And they have made some major changes. Now, many of you may not use Stitch Creator very often, but I think once you hear about how they've changed it, this is going to be a game changer for you. I actually was able to make my own maxi stitches, and I went in and with my finger and I could write my name just like I was signing a signature, and in 30 seconds or less I created a brand new stitch. So let me show you a little bit closer, all right? So I'm going to open up Stitch Creator. Now when I move in here, there's actually quite a few things that are different. The grid line where you see the outside lines, that's the 9mm, and I have an option to not only bring in all of the 9mm stitches, but also the maxi stitches. So if I want to make my own stitches, I'm going to select maxi, or maybe instead I choose I want to draw. Where you see that line is where you're going to start drawing if you want to create your own stitch. And maybe this is a quilt stitch you want to put in for a border. Well, where I touch my finger, and you can use a stylus, as I go and I draw the stitch, look at how it's showing me what the stitch looks like. And then when I come back and I can stop where I want, in a couple of seconds, I've just made a brand new stitch that didn't exist before. And as I'm done, you can see what it looks like. And then after that's finished, if you're finished drawing, you can turn that off. And you'll notice right here, for this stitch to work well, the top stitch and the bottom stitch need to start and end in the same place, and it works perfectly. So you can go now and save that stitch if you want to by touching that check mark and then coming out and saving it. But let me show you some other things, all right? I'm going to bring in a maxi stitch, and it's only going to take me a couple of seconds to show you how fascinating this is. Well, let's see what this stitch looks like, all right? So now the stitches come in, and if I zoom out, you can see what it looks like. These are all the needle points of the stitch, and if I decided that I wanted to change something or add it, I can touch any of those maxi stitches and come in and move a stitch anywhere I want to. You can see that's a triple stitch, all right? And so I can adjust and change any stitch. And if I don't like it, we have a brand new feature, which is undo. We've been asking for undo for, I can't even tell you how long. So if you don't like what you've done, you just go and undo and keep going and undoing, and you can come back and solve it. And then instead of having to start all over, you just touch undo. This is just the beginning of all the amazing new features they've added to the Creative Icon 3.
So when I was in class, Karen, I sat and I played with this, and I could actually draw a stitch. I deleted a lot, but I am not artistic. I'm like, this is really hard for me. I don't even know what I want to do. So I just scribbled and I did this stitch and I stitched it out, and I would actually use that stitch.
I know, and that's the way I feel about it too. And when you're going to go and draw, you can select the stitch length you want. Do you want it to be 2.0 or 2.5?
Yes.
And so you've got all this flexibility. The number of stitches you have on the Creative Icon 3 is infinite because it's so easy to make your own stitches now.
And it was easy and fun.
It was fun.
And I felt very smart and creative. After seeing some of these other fun things, hopefully you're inspired. I know I really am. I love this new machine. I'm excited to see what Karen's going to show us. And she's coming to our store.
I know, I'm so excited.
I'm very excited. So September 23rd, 24th, 25th, and 26th. It is on our website, so you can sign up, choose the store that works best for you. And Karen is going to have some amazing samples. Some of them you've done on the Creative Icon 3, but I encourage you to come. You're going to have things that you've done with all of the features on the machine.
There are so many creative techniques with all of our Pfaff machines, and it doesn't matter if you're an embroiderer, you're a sewer, a quilter, you're going to learn something. So come and check it out.